So, here's the thing. Well, hey, we're back. So, what's been happening? Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another acid tree. So, I've been away for about a month now. What happened? So, for those of you who don't know, I actually did sign with Chicago Lane Changers to have the G37 on that channel full time. Long story short, since then we have decided that Chicago Lane Changers is going to be like a once a week kind of thing. And we're just going to keep the exciting stuff on there, and then all the part installs will be brought back to Silver Fox Racing Group. So now we are back, and we can pretty much get back to the full swing of all the content on this car, and then of course along with the new content, which I will discuss in a minute. So that's essentially what's been going on top of that. I've been just incredibly busy and just kind of needed a break. I really just needed a break, but now we're back. With that, thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. Really cannot thank you enough. I still remember when I started the channel and I was stuck at 12 subscribers for like, I don't know, a couple weeks, and it was driving me crazy. And look where we are now. So, really means the world to me. And we have a lot of new content coming beyond just the car. And I really appreciate if you guys would check it out, especially this project we have coming up. So this is just going to be a quick update video. I'm going to discuss some of the new mods on the G that we have done in the meantime, and there are some more coming, which I will mention. We are going to a new style of editing, new style of content. Basically, we're going to add more content, and I've been talking about this for a while. We are going to start doing more stuff with the ATVs, snowmobiles, all that stuff. Lots of DIY videos, lots of videos of us just thrashing it around. So I highly suggest checking that content out because it's going to be pretty crazy, especially with this new funny editing style that I've come up with. It's going to be pretty good. There'll still be plenty of videos on the G, of course, but if you watch that too, you're just going to enjoy this channel even more. You're going to get a lot more bang for your buck with this channel if you check that out too. Well, bang for your buck, it's free. Bang for your subscription, whatever. So, let's talk about what we've done in the past month. A lot has happened. So, here's the thing. For those of you who don't know, and don't follow me on Instagram, I have fired Admin Tuning. He is no longer my tuner. And I'm not going to get into all the drama and all that crap that's been going on with him. But essentially, here's what happened. Let me explain what is going on. I'll actually pop my hood for you guys so you can see what we've done. We've done quite a lot. So I apologize for the poor lighting over here. I have to have the doors closed because it's just so unbelievably loud outside. It's not even funny. There's so much going on and it's annoying. But what we have done in the past couple months, we have 3-inch intakes. If you haven't seen the video on CLC, you can check it out. I'm going to try to make a video showing how we did this, but as you can see, they are the UPT 3-inch intakes, or Unique Performance Tuning intakes. These are $450 shipped. They're absolutely fantastic intakes. They look amazing. Of course, you can't see them too well, but oh, no, you can. There you go. The fitment is perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. I did paint them myself, but seriously, these are great intakes for the price. And yeah, so we did those, and we also installed ported manifolds. I deleted the PCV. I'll do a video explaining how I did that. Although it'll be a short video, I will still show how I did that. It's really simple. So we did all that, right? But with that requires a retune. And this is where the lovely Monsef comes in. So I scheduled a retune, waited about 3 weeks, and the retune day comes, and I never heard anything from him. No email, nothing. And it goes beyond just him missing my tuning appointment. Oh god, the whole intake thing, if those of you who know, is just ridiculous. It's totally toxic. It's totally out of control. He's calling people out. The guy who makes his intakes are calling people out, blah, 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 blah. whatever. I'm not going to get into it. I'm not going to put a bunch of drama on this channel. But essentially, he's just being a big asshole. Then, turns out, my tune was not running up to its full potential from before. I started to learn that his tunes are really weak as of recently. And multiple people hit me up telling me that they get beat all the time by G's with the same mods and all that stuff. And as soon as they switch from admin, the car feels way better. So I was like, I don't know. I don't know if that's true. It turns out it is true, because I switched to my guy High Mile Tuning, or High Mile Racer if you want to tune for him. He's a great guy. Check him out. The car is so unbelievably powerful now, and we're not even done tuning it. I actually have bad gas in the car right now. When we finish it, I will do a full review of his tune and give my thoughts. He's a great guy. So yeah, that's why I fired Monsef. So that's been going on. So we have a new tuner now. That's basically what's happened in the last month and a half or whatever, and that's what's been going on. And the other thing I find funny is that Monsef never told me that I had bad fuel. He never told me that my injectors were going out on bank 1 because it goes lean on bank 1 because the injectors are essentially just worn out. So with that, I'm going to mention we have new injectors coming very soon, and we are also going to install the fuel pump because the fuel pump is not that expensive. We're going to put that in, show you guys how to install that, and we are going to go E85. And we'll just basically keep it simple. 2 maps, one for 93, one for E85, that's it. And then I'm going to show you guys how to test the ethanol content in E85 because some of the stations just suck. So yeah, that's what we're planning on doing, and that's where we are. It's just crazy how much more powerful this car is versus the admin tune. And it's not just because of those new parts. I mean, you can just tell it's the tune. And my idle was lean, and he couldn't fix it. He didn't fix it. He sent me a new map. It didn't fix it. I wasn't the only one that had this issue. So, coming up soon, we're going to do the injectors, fuel pump. We're going to get it on E85. And then we have the turbo go-kart, which is coming up hopefully next week, if I can get around to it. And it's going to be really cool. Really highly suggest you guys stick around for that. And you don't even need an EFI to do this. I'm going to show you all how to do it. We are going to be getting back in the full swing of the videos. Hopefully 1 to 2 videos a week. We got a lot of stuff to do. We just got the snowmobiles out of storage. We got some stuff we got to do with those. Probably going to be selling a couple of them. Hopefully getting something better. I mentioned an RX-1 before, but I don't know what I'm really going to get just yet, but we'll see. And we're also going to be introducing something I think you guys are really going to like, and basically it's going to be Tech Talk Tuesdays. And I know that doesn't sound really original. I just really couldn't come up with anything better to match with Tuesday or any other day of the week. But Tech Talk Tuesdays, where I will sit down in front of the camera and talk about some things in the VQ community, you know, stuff like this too, like the go-kart, you know, things like that, and maybe answer some questions that anybody might have. I think it'll be a cool series. But yeah, stay tuned for the new editing style, everything. I think when we do the G, we'll still do like the old style, like vlogs. But when it comes to working on this stuff, it's going to be acid tree, high energy, crazy, lose my mind, I'm going to hurt myself. And then speaking of that, I will have this off in about 2 weeks from tomorrow. So hopefully we'll finally be able to just get my hand back. I'm so sick of this. Hope you guys enjoyed the update, and stay tuned. Maybe tomorrow I will get up a tech talk, and we'll see what happens if I have time to do it, but I should. And then next week, stay tuned. We're going to get started on some other things. We have some videos I'm going to do on that, and then we're going to hopefully start the turbo go-kart. So that's going to wrap up this video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notifications to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our official page at Silver Fox Racing Group. And you can follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37 so you can see all the behind the scenes of the acid tree. I really hope you guys are looking forward to the content, and it's gonna be a fun time. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy.